Welcome to a journey back in time. Today, we're diving into the elegance, craftsmanship, and mechanical soul of a true automotive icon, the 1920s Ford Model A or its close vintage counterparts. A car that didn't just move people, it moved an entire era. Exterior design. First introduced in 1927 as a successor to the legendary Model T, this car wasn't just an upgrade, it was a revolution. With a fresh design, modern engineering, and stylish details, the Model A set a new standard for what an automobile could be. Let's talk design. With its upright, boxy profile and gracefully rounded fenders, this car is the definition of timeless. Those large circular headlamps, mounted proudly on either side of a chromed radiator grille, were not only functional, they were a bold statement. Every line, every curve speaks of craftsmanship in an era before automation. Interior design. Step inside, and it's like entering a different world. The cabin is simple, honest, and beautifully mechanical. A large steering wheel made from hard rubber or wood, an uncluttered dashboard with just the essentials, and long bench seats upholstered in mohair or leatherette. No screens, no distractions, just the purity of driving. Under the hood lies a 3.3-liter inline-4 engine, pushing out about 40 horsepower. Now that might not sound like much today, but back then, it was a major leap in performance and reliability. The Model A could hit speeds of up to 65 miles per hour, fast enough to make your hat fly off on a country road. And it wasn't just about speed. The Model A came with a 3-speed manual transmission and mechanical drum brakes on all 4 wheels, a major safety upgrade for the time. The ride was surprisingly smooth thanks to transverse leaf spring suspension. What truly made this car special wasn't just its engineering. It was its accessibility. Ford priced the Model A so that the average American family could afford one. Over 4 million units were sold between 1927 and 1931, each one a rolling piece of freedom. From the exposed spare tire on the rear bumper to the unmistakable blue oval badge, every detail reminds us of the beginnings of automotive culture. This was a car you could fix in your garage, tune by hand, and bond with over time. The 1920s vintage car is more than metal and mechanics. It's a memory machine. It represents innovation, resilience, and the romance of the open road in its purest form. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.